Hello, welcome back. Welcome back to the channel. It's me, searbear, and if you're new here, hi, it's me, searbear. Nice to meet you. I'm back again today with another Neopets Cookbook recipe. Woo-hoo. I don't know why I said it like that, but I don't know. Spice it up. Keep it spicy. I don't know. But hi, hello. What is the recipe we're cooking today? I don't know. Hold on. I don't remember. This one I think is going to work out pretty well because it's not baking. I can cook. Though it also doesn't look good, but it tastes good. At least that's what I'm told, so woo. Today's Neopets Cookbook recipe is called Gnorbu wool noodles. Wool. Yeah, wool. Let me show you what it looks like. So yes, we're making Gnorbu wool noodles. Look at that. Yep. Right there. And this is what it's supposed to look like. I mean, that looks pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. That looks pretty yummy. And then I saw the ingredients, and I'm excited for the ingredients. It doesn't seem like it's gonna be too tough, because it literally just looks like noodles. Noodles are always easy. Knock on wood. Think, think, think. I mean, usually they're pretty, noodles are easy. It does involve making dumplings. They call these dumplings. I thought those were meatballs. I mean, technically. Anyway, I'm getting sidetracked here. It looks pretty yummy. Noodles are pretty simple, and I mean, this literally looks fine. I mean, yeah, it seems pretty simple. Oh, and look, hold on. This is what the picture is supposed to look like. Never seen this before in the game, but also I didn't play enough to run into it. But I haven't run into enough to, I haven't ran into it yet either. I have been playing. I actually have been playing. I did the thing. I've been playing enough, every single day for 30 days. Or was it 25 days? I think it's 25 days. The Trudy's surprise thing, the little slot machine. The little casino slot machine. Yeah, I got my 100,000 Neopoints. Baller. Neopoint ballin'. Yeah, that's right. I need to tell you how I've been doing Neopets recently. But oh my gosh, I had been playing every day for 25 days, and I think I've talked about it before. There's this thing called the Neopets dailies, and guess what? Yeah, that's right. You can do your dailies, and it's so convenient. So I had been able to do not everything. There's so much you can do every day. Holy crap, it's a little overwhelming. But I mean, I just picked and choose the ones that I really cared about too much, and the ones that take 40 years. Looking at you, Wheel of Monotony. Oh my god. I mean, that's the whole point. I know. But my god, sometimes it stops working. It's something went wrong, and I'm like, what went wrong? I had been waiting for hours. Anyway, I don't know if there's supposed to be a little secret to it. I didn't actually look it up, so I don't know. Correct me in the comments, I guess. Been doing that. I've been leveling up my Neopets. They were doing really good in the Battle Dome, and then it started to be defeats and then ties, and then I decided I'm gonna wait a little bit. Been leveling them up so much more than I did before as a kid. I am getting really into it. I have a little shop set up and everything. I have the little bank account. I wish I had that much money in my bank account in real life. So I mean, might as well pretend in the Neopet life. I've super been playing it regularly, all the time, every single day. And you play another 25-30 days and you get another 100,000 Neopoints, and then towards the end it gave you up to 18,000. That's a lot. But I mean, oh, also there's the Neopet agency thing. I had been doing that, but then I got lazy because you can do up to 3 per Neopet, I think. I don't know, but yeah, that's so much to do in that game. There's a side quest too where I haven't even finished it. It's something with I don't even know. It's overwhelming. Anyway, yeah, that's what I've been up to. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys. Let me show you guys my Neopet stats. These are how my Neopets are looking right now. Yeah, this one's called Miss Ginger, and I accidentally had a capital I in it. Oops, I messed up. Yeah, I found a cloud brush, and I have always wanted to do the paintbrush, so mission accomplished. That's my Neopet update. Do any of you guys play Neopets? How is your Neopet life going for you? I would love to know. Do you guys want to be Neo friends? I would love to be Neo friends. Anyway, that's my Neopet update. Back to the recipe. I'm like those recipes where like, I don't know if you like, okay, those recipes when you look them up online and they give you like this big wall of text? That's me right now. Full circle baby. But this, I'm just horribly going through these, doing it very scuffed. Like it's not beautiful, it's not pretty, but I try my best, and I'm curious, so But anyway, let's get back to the recipe. The prep time is 20 minutes, the cooking time is 30 minutes, and it makes 4 servings. The ingredients for the soup, because we're making a soup and a dumpling. For the soup, it's 2 cups of chicken stock, a few large slices of ginger, 1 clove garlic sliced, 6 fresh kaffir, lime leaves, 1 green chili halved, 12 ounces of dried rice noodle, 1 14-ounce can of coconut milk, and lime wedges to serve. For the dumplings, I need 16 to 20 or 14 ounces of raw jumbo shrimp, 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, 3 whole scallions, 2 large egg whites, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Okay. Not too bad, I'd say. I don't think that's too bad. There are a few things that I needed to replace. First off, I've never heard of lime leaves before. I couldn't find any at all, and I looked around. I didn't find any of these lime leaves, so we googled what could be used instead. So lime zest is what one of the answers are. The green chili halved, I didn't see it at the store that we were at, and I'm the type of person who likes to stay at one store, though sometimes if it's absolutely necessary I go to multiple stores, but I try not to. And I don't know, I get really overwhelmed in stores, so I was ready to go home. So I just got a replacement there. So look, don't come for me, alright? But I found a canned green chili. I know, but I'm eating it, okay? Not you. Alright, keep that in mind. I mean, I'm sure it's not gonna be that crazy of a difference. I've never tried it anyway, and I'm probably gonna like it. I have a feeling I'm gonna like it because I love shrimp. I absolutely love shrimp. And I know some people don't and call it cockroaches of the sea. Okay, yeah, I like to eat cockroaches of the sea. Thank you. Alright, glad we could get that out of the way. Moving on. I'm gonna go ahead and get the ingredients all gathered up, and I will see you guys in a little bit.
Okay, I am back with the ingredients gathered. So, a few things. Like I mentioned earlier, I don't have any limes, so here is the zest. I didn't have any scallions, so green onions is what I have. And the green chili halved, I have about a teaspoon. I'm hoping that's about enough. So those are the ones that I replaced, but other than that, there's that doesn't look like egg whites, but I mean I got the yolk out, so egg whites, right? I don't know. But there's all the stuff. Oh, also, these come in 13.5 fluid ounces. So I got 2, and I guess I'll just use the 0.5, or I'll just only end up using the 1 can. We'll see how I'm feeling. But there is that. We got all the stuff.
Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and start with step 1.
Okay, so
this is the top that I'm going to be using, but it covers it up. It's gonna be able to simmer, so that's all that we care about, right? We don't care about presentation. That's why you're here. So I'll stir this up a little bit, and then I'll let it simmer for that medium-low heat. This looks fancy-pantsy. This looks so fancy-pantsy. It smells like, I don't know. I can't smell anything. Okay, so we're gonna let that simmer. In the meantime, we're gonna go ahead and get started with step 2. This is so many. I don't know if this is gonna work out or not. We're working with what we got here. That looks like a chunky paste. Okay, let's add this in there. What else did it say? I think the best way to mix it is like with this.
Probably. I don't know. Probably not. Maybe I'll throw it back into the blender. I don't know if these will hold though, because I think it might be too pasty. Oh no. I blended it too much. It just looks like goop. Whatever. Everything is not well combined. It looks like a... It said paste. This might be too paste. This is where I start to panic. It's fine. Everything is fine. We'll see. Okay, so I went ahead and strained it. So we're gonna go ahead and just put the coconut milk in there. I'm just gonna put in the 1 can because it was too much math for me to figure out the ½ ounce. Sorry. Sorry, not sorry. This is crazy. Oh my god. I don't think my saucepan's big enough. Dude, oh my god. Oh my god. Imagine if I did put in that ½ ounce. Oh my god. Do you see how full that is? Ah, shoot. That's crazy. The mixture will be quite loose and sticky, but will sit as it cooks, dropping them in the hot soup as you go. Oh, shoot. I'm gonna need to switch pans. Hold on. Alright, that's a big enough pot, I'd say. I just need to wait for it to warm up now, though, but I'm sure it'll be fine, whatever. This is warming up just fine. Okay, now it's time for the scooping of the shrimp mixture. God, I don't even know, brother. I have so many dishes. Ugh! Hate that. I'm thinking I can use this. I'm trying to be lazy, alright? But I'm thinking I can... That's about the size of a walnut. I actually don't know what the size of a walnut is. This might be too big. Okay, so they look... Yep. They don't look very... These look even worse. Look at that one. It's like so uneven because I always end up doing that. Okay, so I have to drop them all in there one by one. I'm trying not to stack them on top of each other, but I don't see them. I mean, I kind of see them, but you know what I mean. Let's see how this looks. Where did I put the thing? Dude! It's starting to look like it! No way! That's exciting! Wow! Dude, no way. Oh no, it's falling apart! Oh no. Oh no! I'm so excited to try this. Alright, now we got it. Now let's go ahead and get ready to plate it. Ah! Oh my god, I'm so excited. So are you guys ready to see what it looks like? Okay, so here's the reference. Damn. Alright, drum roll please. That sounds like a car starting up. Well, okay, so this is how it ended up looking. Oh my god. It fell apart. The dumplings did fall apart, but oh my god. It smells so... I'm so excited to try this though. Oh my god, this looks so good. This is what it looks like. This looks good as dude. Oh my god. This looks so yummy. I'm super excited to try it. I literally... Okay. Anyway, okay, let's try it. I guess I'll use a fork. Should I use a fork? Should I use chopsticks? The picture has chopsticks. And look at these. Dude, they're so cute, right? Oh my god. Okay, alright, so let's try it. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, it looks so yummy. Hold on, let me do the thumbnail. Well, let's try it. Oh my god, this is so good. Oh my god.
Let's try this. It's falling apart when I try to pick it up, but... Dude, this is so good. This tastes amazing. This tastes so good. Oh my god, this tastes amazing.
It smells fantastic too.
Okay, well... It doesn't look like it, okay? It doesn't look like it, but it tastes so good! It tastes fantastic! I am literally so happy! It tastes so good! It tastes fantastic. Oh my goodness. High five, Sarah. Oh my god! A pat on the back. I haven't been feeling too good about all these other ones by the end, but I messed it up. I know. I always do. The dumplings, I probably should. I don't have a food processor, and I think I made it a little too pasty. Oopsies. Because I used a freaking blender, but it tastes fantastic. It tastes so good. Oh my god, it tastes so good. Oh my gosh. Would I make this again? Yes! Oh my god, absolutely I would. I actually was a little nervous because I really don't cook with coconut milk and I was a little too nervous. I know I've tasted food with coconut milk in it, but you know, I don't know if you've noticed, but I can mess things up pretty easily. So, oh my god, it tastes so good. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. It tastes so yummy. Yes, I would absolutely make this again. The prep time was a little bit because like I grated all the stuff, but I also didn't use like everything to the T, and it still came out great. So I mean, if I used everything exactly, who knows, you know? So oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm so happy. Dude, this is gonna be a good ass dinner. So oh my gosh. Well, it only took 6 tries for me to like feel pretty good about something. Six tries. It doesn't look exactly still, but oh my god. Maybe that means we're leveling up. Who knows? Maybe not. It's actual. I didn't bake. You know. I think that might be my weakness here, but I wanted to do something kind of similar, kind of easy, because I've been kind of struggling. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I've been struggling a little bit. But now we have something. Well, I'm so happy. I'm literally so, I don't know. I'm so happy. I'm so excited. I just can't hide it. Ah! Okay, anyway. But yeah, I guess that's it. That's the video. Yes, oh my goodness. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I feel like this might be a little bit more tamed than all the others so far, so that's good, right? I don't know. That's it. Definitely didn't take forever to make it either, so that's good. This was a nice change of pace for me personally, so yay. Once again, I do want to thank you guys for everyone who has watched through the videos and liked it and, you know, just interacted with it in some shape, way, or form, or telling me that you guys enjoy these videos. It really brings me so much joy. It makes me super happy that you guys enjoy it. So if you ended up liking this one, please continue on. Continue what you're doing. Give it a like and leave a comment on would you try to make this? Honestly, you probably would do better than me. So let me be your motivation. But anyway, thank you guys so much for stopping by today. I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your day. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.